So you're telling me you don't like this?
I don't know, look at me.
Excuse me,
I thought you were, that both sides are done. It's okay, it's just your hair is too messy. But it's not pretty messy.
Look guys, she called me not pretty.
Hey everyone, okay, so today Jen is gonna be doing a makeup look and I'm making a mud pie, but with each step that she does, I have a step to do as well. So if she finishes her step before me, we both have to move on to the next thing. I have to grab a few more ingredients before we start.
Wow, you're not even done yet.
You're not even done doing your hair.
My arms are already tired. How do people style their hair?
Are you organizing it or?
No,
I guess not, that's like, there's no fun in organizing it. Okay, so let's get started. What's your first step?
Putting on foundation.
Okay, and I have to crush the Oreos. So I was gonna use the food processor, but I'm just gonna use a Ziploc bag because our food processor is not big enough.
Wait, so you're just using your hand?
Yeah. Should I get like a rolling pin? I guess I can try that.
I don't know if I'm using the correct.
Oh, that's so much easier. Aren't you supposed to like dab it?
Yeah, but I'm lazy. Oh my god, my skin's so dry. Okay, I guess I'm done my foundation. Okay. So that means you have to be done that. So now I have to prime my eyelids.
Okay, and I gotta go heat up the butter.
Oh no, okay. I don't even know if I'm putting it on properly. Also, I don't even know if you're supposed to put concealer over foundation or underneath. Alright, you might have your first mess up already because I've done one eye.
Are you serious?
Well, I'm not done yet, but I'm almost done.
Oh, so I have time. I can heat it up just a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the next step. So it looks like you have to take it out.
It melted like not even that much.
Now I'm putting light brown on my inner corner.
Oh, I have to combine it and then transfer this cookie dough into the plate. This feels so weird.
I guess that's it for that. So now my next step is in the middle. I'm using a medium brown.
Oh my god. Some parts are gonna be like extra buttery.
Now I'm putting a dark brown on the outer corner.
See, now this is the part, I gotta go to the stove. I'm supposed to, in a medium pot, add 1.5 cups of milk, cream, sugar, and salt. Whisk together and place over medium heat.
You're supposed to do that, and all I have to do is add a shit.
I'll pour all my ingredients in here and then I'll take it to the stove.
You're more chaotic than me.
Well, duh, I'm cooking.
Oh yeah, now I can put dark brown on the outer. Everyone's probably be like, you're brown, where are you doing brown? I'll be like, I'll tell you why I chose this look at this.
Oh my gosh. Ah! Do we have more milk?
Did you finish the milk? No, that's it.
Cream. How much cream? 1/4 cup of cream. No, it's 1 cup of cream. Okay.
I don't really know what I expected to happen, but here we are.
Are you done?
Keep going.
2/3 cups of sugar.
Vlog mode. I was just gonna laugh at your crust. And that's our crust so far. That white stuff is a chunk of butter. Now we have to go to the stove.
Medium heat, that looks medium to me. Oh my god, whisk 4 yolks together in a large bowl and set aside.
So you're gonna separate the yolks right now? Or just use the whole egg?
I'll just use a whole egg.
It'll just be like that custard we made.
In a
We have to
bowl.
hide this from them, they're not gonna eat it.
Are we gonna eat it?
Obviously we're gonna eat it.
What are you doing now? I'm doing these
I'm putting
sideways.
on white eyeliner. I have no idea. I'm just gonna pull my lid. What the heck? Are you serious? That doesn't make any sense. What the heck? Oh, there we go.
No eggshells, baby.
This white eyeliner sucks.
I'm supposed to whisk the hot milk into this.
So that's your next step?
Yeah. Whisk the hot milk mixture into the yolks, then pour the mixture back into the pot.
I guess I'm done with this makeup look.
That mixture's not even hot yet. I'll be right back, folks.
I'm putting on brown mascara.
Wait, that's so weird.
What?
If you put hot milk in it, won't it cook the egg?
Yeah, good luck. I got mascara everywhere. Oh well. Part of the look now.
So I poured the mixture in. It didn't really cook the egg, so I'm happy about that. Is this gonna be edible? I don't know.
Well, yeah, it'll be edible. It's fine. Alright, then now my next step.
Okay, so this goes back in. Add chocolate and vanilla and stir until melted. Well, I'm supposed to reduce this, whisk 2 to 3 minutes before removing from heat, and then add the chocolate and vanilla. And then I pour the filling on this.
Oh my god. Alright, note to self, don't put makeup on a white counter. Yo, I'm dead. I'm dead. I don't get how the eyeshadow stained the counter more than the freaking mascara. She cheated.
What?
By adding coffee?
No, it's part of the recipe.
Alright.
Actually, I don't even know if this was you.
Well, this is what?
I don't know if I was supposed to pour it in the filling. Because it said to add coffee, but I don't know. I don't know what.
Alright, now our last step for me is to do blush, and for her is to pour it in.
I'm just...
What are you laughing about?
Okay. This bowl isn't big enough.
Oh my god! Okay, we're gonna turn this into a milkshake, guys. Is there cornstarch in this recipe? Yeah, I know!
It's supposed to be chilled.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Anyways, what were you saying?
Take your tour! Show the audience what mess we created.
I don't want to do this again.
So my makeup look was supposed to be Mississippi mud pie inspired.
Oh, okay. Nice.
That's it.
It looks almost as good as my pie. That's so nice. Oh my gosh, Jenny.
Okay.
Dig in. I like that my crust just floated to the top.
How does it taste?
It's really sweet. What? Okay, thanks for watching.
Okay.
I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a, what is it? What kind of thumbs up should they give us?
A thumbs
Is it a
down?
petty? Oh, no.
Give us a petty thumbs up.
Petty thumbs up if you enjoyed our disaster. This was a test run, so hopefully if we do this again in the future, it goes right. But until next time, we will see you later.
So thick.
Yep. Does it taste okay?
Yeah, it just tastes like sugar. Uh-oh.
What do I do? Like move this
yeah.
over?
No, move the other way. No.
This way.
No. Yeah, keep going. Okay, no, but like, okay, fine, that's fine.
Where is the crust?